Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Boss Babe Beauty 16 by Jenny. So today's video is different, you guys. I'm excited to share things that I have recently learned new of maybe how to grow your channel or maybe get more followers on Instagram and so forth. Get right to it. So thing number one I learned, which is called TubeBuddy. If you never heard of TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy is just basically a Chrome extension. It shows you how to use your tags. I never knew about tags, like ever, when I first started my YouTube channel. I was basically on the verge of giving up on YouTube and just not even doing anything with it, just taking it all down. Until I watched several videos of what other YouTubers were doing, and then I found out my own tips and tricks that I want to share with you guys because maybe it might be helpful. So one, use tags. Tags are really important, and the title to your video. So the great thing about TubeBuddy, it tells you which tags to actually use, and it tells you which tags will have a better chance of gaining views for your channel and subscribers, and which tags are not. TubeBuddy, there is a free one which I'm using right now, but I'm going to upgrade to it because so far I'm really liking it. It's a legit thing that is also connected to YouTube to actually help grow your channel. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So that is TubeBuddy, you guys, and that's how it looks. It connects right to your I lost my train of thought. It connects right to your YouTube account, and it helps you out gaining views and subscribers. Guys, so tip number two, which are support groups. Support groups, I can't stress these enough. These are amazing that I discovered. I couldn't believe I was sleeping on these, you guys. Okay, so there are support groups on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and who knows what other accounts that I don't know about that probably have them as well. So I have a Facebook, and you guys probably know that there are Facebook groups, right? So there are Facebook groups specifically made for just Instagram and YouTube support. So basically, anyone who kind of likes your channel, you can go ahead and put your channel up there and put a video from your channel, and people can see your video. So let me show you that really quick. Okay, so this is the group, you guys, YouTube New YouTuber Support. And as you can see, it has 87,542 members. So you know what that means, right? You're getting exposed to all of those people when you post your video on there. If you never heard of YouTube Watch Party, well, if you have like maybe a YouTube video that's not too long, you can upload it to your Facebook, and you can start a watch party on Facebook, and that same video that you uploaded on YouTube, you can put it in that group and start a watch party and say, hey people, if you like my content, then please go and support my channel if you have similar content. Or you can just scroll down and see other people's channels and see what they're posting up. Then that's how you start getting you know, more exposure to your channel. So support groups, I can't stress them enough. They also have one for Instagram, so let me see if I can find that one right here. Right here, 2020 Instagram Marketing and Engagement Group. 97,888 members. Okay, and same thing on there. You can kind of just post maybe a recent picture that you took and be like, hey you guys, check out my Instagram account. If you're interested in following me, feel free to do so. This is kind of what I'm posting up. So you can kind of, it's like basically advertising yourself, you guys, getting your name out there, just how other business advertise themselves through the radio, through TV, and even through YouTube advertisements and so forth. This is basically a way of how to advertise yourself and to get your channel some exposure, and that's pretty much what we are looking for. We want legit people to, you know, like our content, comment our channel, and start watching us basically. Okay, now for tip number three. So as stated, you guys, from before, remember Facebook has these groups, Instagram has these groups, and also Twitter has these groups. If you're wondering how to search it up on Twitter, then I will show you guys that, because I know there's probably I know you guys probably don't know how to do that. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to search it up on Twitter, a group. What you're going to want to do is open your Twitter, click the hourglass, then go to the top, search on Twitter. Then you're going to type in hashtag small YouTuber community. And then once you type in hashtag small YouTuber or small YouTuber community, there on Twitter, it says top, latest, people, photos, videos, so forth. You're going to want to click latest. And then right here, you're going to see a whole bunch of new YouTubers right here, hoping, you know, to gain some new support, join a support group. And you kind of can just scroll down and see, you know, who you might be interested in and maybe joining their support group and feel like if that support group is legitimate and genuine and you guys can support each other. And you also can put your own post on Twitter and just hashtag it, hashtag YouTube, small YouTube support, hashtag small YouTuber, hashtag small YouTuber channel, hashtag small makeup channel, whatever your content may be. So that is how it's done on Twitter. It's basically the same way for Instagram too. So on Instagram, here we're opening up Instagram, you're going to click home and then you're going to click your hourglass. And then on top, on the search bar here, you're gonna you're gonna type hashtag small YouTube support. And then you're gonna get everything that's on top here. And then you want to click recent, because the recent people are the people who just recently posted there. And then you can kind of just scroll down and see who you're interested in for supporting your channel, or if you see any support groups, because sometimes you'll see on here a YouTube support group and you'll see them on there, and you can go ahead and just DM them or whatever you want to do to join the support group. So like I'm in a support group. I'm actually in 2 support groups. Let me open up my DMs. Okay, so okay, well you can't really see my DMs because it's hard for me to like literally zoom in there. Basically what we do is every time we upload a video, we just put our videos in. So I'm in 2 different ones. One group has like maybe like 200 people, so then everyone there is just watching each other's videos and making sure that we're supporting each other. Another group is really small. Some groups like to be small because what happens is you can kind of get people that just want to join the group and saying that it's like a group project basically. So everyone has to do their part in a group project, but there's some people, everyone knows this, in a group project there are always some people that don't want to pull their end. So when it comes to a larger support group on the Instagram group, there's probably going to be some people in there that aren't going to pull their weight. So that's the only good thing about working with a smaller group. Then you will know that you guys are really supporting each other's channel, liking each other's content, and you know, just really, you know, hyping each other up and keeping your fellow YouTubers and Instagrammers motivated. So that is basically how you can use all of these ways to grow your channel. And I never ever knew about this. And like I said, the Twitter thing, the Facebook group, and the Instagram thing group, I never knew there was support groups, you guys. So that's probably, you know, why I was having such a hard time with my channel and why it wasn't growing. A lot of the things you want to do, you guys, is post up a lot, all the time, because you need to remember that there's other people posting up all the time. So let's say you posted up in one of these support groups, well, you're quickly going to get moved down to the bottom of the group because there's other people posting up in that group too. So you want to keep posting up as much as you can, whether if it's a picture, whether if it's a small video, who knows what it can be. As long as it's good content, then people are going to like it and watch it. Another thing too is hashtags on your Instagram following are really important. So you want to make sure when you post up a new, let me give you an example. I just posted this picture right here, the pink and gold eye look. You want to make sure you post up things that aren't going to be too common to search up on Instagram. Like I tried searching how to do a pink and gold eye look for a hashtag. That didn't come up on Instagram at all. So that means when someone types that in on Instagram, my eye look will come up first. Also, you want to type in small YouTuber community. I put a small YouTube army, small YouTube channel, small makeup artist, small Instagram influencer. So then for other people who are interested in your content, then they will be searching up for your tags on Instagram, and they will see you, and that it's also, they will see you and see what type of content you're putting on your Instagram channel. You also want to make sure that you have your YouTube link in your bio and that it's a hyperlink. So what a hyperlink is making sure that the link in your Instagram bio is blue. If it's not blue, then that means the person can't click your link. They can't copy or paste it. It's like trying to copy your name up here. Well, Instagram doesn't let you copy like your name or other stuff. So it's really important that you make sure when you are on your Instagram that your link is blue. And if I click on my link, it should open right up to my YouTube channel. So see, I clicked on my link, it's already uploaded to my YouTube channel. That's really important, you guys. So your Instagram followers know that you not only have an Instagram, but you also have a YouTube channel so that they can go watch other videos that you might be posting up there. And then lastly, every time you post up one of your stuff on Instagram, you want to make sure you hashtag your own name so that your name will eventually start popping up in the hashtag system. And that's pretty much what I've been doing, you guys, to basically grow my channel. Making sure I use tags, hashtags, support groups, TubeBuddy, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and whatever other social media thing you can be on, TikTok, and just, you know, being really consistent with it, you guys. So I hope that this advice maybe helps some of you guys to grow your guys' channel. This is kind of what I've been doing lately, and I also been posting up a lot. So I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you're going to use any of these tips, then just let me know in the comments below. Let me know if this video was helpful. As you can see, I'm still growing too, so these are just some of the things I wish I knew sooner. So maybe I could have grew sooner before. But I guess everything has its time and point, because I was literally at the point of giving up, you know, until I kind of found out certain things like about TubeBuddy and so forth. That's pretty much it, you guys. So if you did like this video, please comment, please subscribe, please follow me on Instagram, because if I come up with if I find out any other new tips and tricks about how to get more subscribers or views and so forth, then I will post a new video and let you guys know about that too. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!